everyone, welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to do a gorgeous summer design using a milky white acrylic. So we're going to take Mega White and Crystal Clear in an empty pot, and I'm going to put a little bit of white in there. And some clear, probably a bit more clear than you would white. So you want to dilute that white down. Give it a shake. And then take our Max Adhesion and just do your acrylic as you normally would. Milky white is really nice for designs with flowers, and it's nice on its own actually as well. Holidays. It's just not as harsh as pure white, which is nice. Don't forget to keep the finger tipping down when you do the cuticle bead. Same as before. First bead for the tip, walk it down. We'll let these dry now and then we'll file them into shape. Right, we'll file these now. So we'll take our 180 grit file and just straighten up the sides. We'll wipe over these with some gel residue wipe off solution now. Going to use this cyanide green.
The greenest green you ever did green.
Greenest green. The usual 0003 brush, I think the only brush I ever use. Load the brush, just wipe it through. I'm just going to do some little stalks. And leaves. Just all random ones. Another good reason to flash kill, because if you're anything like me, stick your finger in the one before.
Yeah, I'd be really bad for that, I think.
Then we're going to take the Acrogel, just put a tiny bit for our flowers. Acrogel is so good for sticking rhinestones and flowers and stuff. In fact, you can barely get it off. Drives you crazy on an infill, but it's good that it doesn't move. And these 3D flowers that you can find on Amazon. And then we'll just stick these on the end of each. We'll do different sizes so they're not all the same. Flash cure that. Brush on glue. I think I'm going to have to make a mess.
Go on then.
Then we'll just finish these with some gel top coat.
Do you top coat the flowers, or are you just going around
Just
them?
go around them. Going around them helps secure them in place as well a little bit. So and there we go. Beautiful spring, summer vibes, spring vibes.
Just better weather vibes, aren't there?
It is. That green's really good for flower stalks as well. Hope you all enjoyed that video. A nice simple flower design for you all to try. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.